Hi guys, it's Thursday, so it's time for another tip talk. And today we're actually doing more technology tip talking because you guys are on your computers all day. That's what we ask you to do. You're on classroom and you're going to class and the teacher wants to hear from you and you're like, my mic doesn't work. So that's one of the things we're going to talk about today is mics. How to get your mic to unmute when it's being stubborn. And our new tech person here at East, Ms. Holder, is going to walk us through how to fix that.
As long as the microphone itself, as long as that's okay, the way to fix that is if you'll go to your sound icon in the bottom right-hand corner, right-click, and go to Sounds. You'll need to go to the Recording tab and choose your microphone. Go to Properties, and then Levels. This little icon right here.
Now, the reason that you can't hear her there is because she has muted
Her own mic.
Her own mic, okay, as part of the demonstration. So there's nothing wrong there. She's just telling you about how if you click this button, then it will mute it. You're going to need to unclick this button if you want to unmute your microphone in system settings. That's what she's telling you right there.
Press the icon again and choose OK, and that should fix it.
Now, the other issue with the mic is if you cannot access your mic or camera in Google Meet, then you need to check your Windows version. And that you can just do right here where it says type here to search. You just type in WinBur, hit enter, and it will bring up this window right here that tells you what version of Windows you have. Sounds crazy, but the most recent version says 2004. That is what you should see.
Yes.
If you see something other than 2004, then you'll need to bring your computer to school and have it re-imaged. Okay, it'll need to be updated. Once that happens, then your issues with mic and camera in Google Meet should be fixed.
Yeah. So that one's pretty easy. The next thing that we need to talk to you guys about is not necessarily mic related, but is in a game bar, which sounds crazy to me, but Miss Wheatley knows what she's talking about here. And she's going to show you how to get your setting correct so that when you take your test in your lockdown browsers, they will work correctly.
Right. Well, since we use Microsoft, there are some integration with Xbox. So we're going to go to the Windows icon right here, the Start button, and the Settings. And then you'll see where it says Gaming. Just open that section up. And this is what it should look like right here. So Microsoft Expert, so Xbox Game Bar, it should be off. If it is on, then you may have issues when you're taking your tests, like Ms. Porter said, in the lockdown browser, because it doesn't want you to be able to do things like use Game Bar to record your screen. So make sure that is off, and that's all you have to do is turn that off. So
super easy. There are a couple of background settings that you need to know about if you're struggling. If you're struggling with something else, come let us know. We can help you find the answer individually, and if it's a question that a lot of you have, we can have another video. We can talk to Ms. Holder about it, and we can get some answers for you.
Yes, and if you have a problem at home after school, you can always try messaging the East High Facebook or the East High Library Facebook, or you can look up Amy Wheatley on Google Hangouts chat, and you can send me a request, and I may see it on my phone right away, and I'll respond to you, or an email. So many ways.
All the ways.
Yes, so don't struggle in silence. Reach out. Let us help you if you need help. Okay?
Yes.